chose athletic training just because I had strong interest in athletics growing up. And then just through kind of high school and college, I really became intrigued with like anatomy and how the body moves and all the different things that you could do with that. So I kind of just coupled how I really enjoy sports and then with my passion for like rehab and getting people back to their sport from an injury. Now my clinical experience is with SDSU women's soccer. So this is kind of our fall camp rotation. We started at the end of July and then we'll go up until school starts next week. So it's just a quick 4-week one. And our emphasis is kind of on the weather since it is like fall camp. We watch just like the wet bulb temp and then kind of go over our hydration protocols and, you know, what would happen in case of emergency and kind of just go through all the scenarios that we learned about in class and then how we would like implement them. My first one last fall was with SDSU women's basketball. And then my spring one was at an outreach. So I did half the time at Orthepedic Institute in Sioux Falls. The other half of the time was at Sioux Valley High School over in Volga. And then the summer, my rotation was at Avera Human Performance, working with the physical therapist there. And then I also did a Sanford Clinic rotation for our gen med with Dr. Riggs. I'm not really sure what's next for me. I think it would be really cool to get some professional experience, whether that be NFL or MLB. I know there's some internship opportunities available, so I might try to go that route. But otherwise, I see myself just working in the competitive D1 environment, either with like wrestling or women's basketball, something along those lines, just high intensity and very competitive.